lived two friends whose names was Setu and Madhavan. These two lived in a nearby streets and were always found together. One day, Madhavan, there is a festival going on in a nearby village. We will go. Hey, wait for me. Let me tell my mom. Madhavan went and told his mom and came back. Let's go. My mom told me that we should go safely and return home. Both of them started walking in the jungle. Come fast. Then all of a sudden they heard some noise. Madhavan, what's that noise, Setu? Hey, this looks like the voice of a bear. They looked towards the direction from where the noise was coming. Oh, they saw a bear coming. The bear is coming towards us. Climb the tree fast because the bear does not know how to climb a tree. Hey Setu, I do not know how to climb a tree. Setu started climbing the tree. Please help me. While Madhavan was pleading like this, the bear came nearer to the tree. Oh God, what shall I do now? The bear is coming near me. All of a sudden, Madhavan remembered what his teacher had said once in the class. He suddenly laid himself on the ground and acted as if he was dead. The bear came near him. It first smelled him and then round and then went round and round and sniffed against his face. Then the bear went back the way it had come. Once the bear left Setu, who was watching all this, climbed down the tree and came near his friend. Madhavan, please get up. The bear has left. Please wake up. Madhavan got up. Madhavan, I could see the bear telling something in your ears. What did it say? It said that a friend who does not stand by you in times of need is not at all a friend. Setu bowed his head with a shake. Madhavan walked alone back to his home. Welcome to Lokmanya Tilak High School, Standard 4th Subject English Composition. Topic Story Writing. There are 3 steps of story writing. First, introduction. It includes an outline and a title. Second, explanation. It includes the detail of the story which shows a problem and the reason behind it. Third step is of conclusion. It includes the solution to the problem shown in the second paragraph of the story. 2 friends. Once there were 2 good friends. Their names were Rohan and Sohan. One day they were playing games in school ground. Rohan fell down. He thought Sohan pushed him. Their friendship ends. They stop talking to each other. Their school teacher noticed this. Teacher called both of them and made them Both of them said sorry to each other. Rohan and Sohan became friends forever. Moral: forget and forgive. Written by Mrs. Geeta Ingre and Harshali Kamble. Let's recap our topic of story writing. This is a picture of a hand. I request all students and teachers to place your hand in front of you. Our first finger, that is thumb, tells us to keep an outline ready of your story when your teacher gives you any topic. Second finger tells us to give a suitable title for our story based on main characters. Third finger tells us that intro, that is first para, we must introduce main characters of the story. Fourth finger tells us to write the explanation part. It is the biggest part of our story. I repeat, in this part, a problem and a reason behind that problem is shown. Fifth finger means third para tells us the solution of the problem shown in the second paragraph. It also gives us moral of the story. Once again, I remind everybody to remember the steps of story writing on your fingers. Whenever you get the topic of story writing, look at your hand. First outline, second title, then first para, second para and third para. I hope you will never forget this trick of story writing.